The robots are coming, but don't panic just yet. Imagine a typical office scene, papers stacked on desks, the click-clack of keyboards, and fluorescent lights humming overhead, but something's off. One by one, employees start glitching, their images pixelating until they vanish entirely. Now cut to a rapid-fire montage AI algorithms crunching data at warp speed, robotic arms assembling complex machinery with inhuman precision, and self-driving trucks hauling cargo down desolate highways. The future is here and it's automated. Is this the end of work as we know it? Are we all destined to be replaced by lines of code and silicon chips? Don't freak out just yet. Today we're diving deep into 10 jobs AI is poised to transform by 2030, and more importantly, how you can adapt and thrive in this brave new world. Number 1, data entry. From human fingers to digital brains. Remember those endless spreadsheets, the mind-numbing repetition of copying, pasting, and double-checking numbers? Data entry is a vital part of countless industries, but let's be real, it's ripe for automation. AI-powered systems are already light years ahead when it comes to processing information. They don't need coffee breaks, they don't make typos, and they can analyze mountains of data in the blink of an eye. But here's the twist. While AI might excel at the grunt work, it still needs human operators to train it, refine its algorithms, and make sure it's delivering accurate insights. So instead of fearing obsolescence, think about upskilling. Learn the languages of data like Python or R. Become an expert in data visualization and analysis. The future belongs to those who can work with AI, not against it. Number 2, customer service. Can AI out-empathize humans? We've all been there, stuck on hold, listening to elevator music, just trying to get a simple question answered. The customer service industry can be a grind both for employees and customers. Enter AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These digital helpers are getting scarily good at understanding natural language, resolving basic issues, and even mimicking human empathy. But let's be real, there's no replacing the genuine human touch, especially when it comes to complex or emotionally charged situations. AI can handle the routine stuff, but it's still got a long way to go before it can truly connect on a human level. That's where you come in. Focus on developing skills that AI struggles with: active listening, emotional intelligence, creative problem solving. Become a master of de-escalation and building rapport. The future of customer service isn't about being replaced, it's about becoming the human connection customers crave. Number 3, retail checkout, the rise of the self-service economy. Remember the days of waiting in line just to buy a pack of gum? Yeah, those days are numbered. Self-checkout kiosks and mobile payment systems are already changing the retail landscape. And with advances in computer vision and sensor technology, we're on the cusp of a world where you can walk into a store, grab what you need, and walk out without ever interacting with a cashier. But hold on, this doesn't mean all retail jobs are doomed. Instead of focusing on transactional tasks, retailers will need employees who can provide personalized recommendations, offer expert advice, and create memorable shopping experiences. Think of it this way. AI can handle the checkout, but it can't replace the human touch that turns shoppers into loyal customers. Number 4, drivers. From steering wheels to algorithms, the open road, the wind in your hair, the freedom of the open road. It's a romantic notion, but the reality is driving is about to undergo a radical transformation. Self-driving cars, trucks, and delivery drones are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They're here and they're coming for our roads and maybe our jobs sooner than we think. But don't trade in your driver's license just yet. The transition to fully autonomous vehicles will take time, and it will create new opportunities along the way. Think about specializing in areas like fleet management, autonomous vehicle maintenance, or even developing the software that powers these machines. The future of transportation might be driverless, but it's not jobless. Number 5, telemarketing. When AI calls, will anyone answer? Let's be real, nobody likes getting unsolicited calls. And with the rise of caller ID and spam filters, telemarketing has become a tough gig. But AI is about to change the game. Imagine AI-powered systems that can personalize sales pitches, predict consumer behavior, and even hold conversations that are indistinguishable from human interactions. Sounds creepy, maybe? Effective, potentially. But even with these advancements, human marketers will still play a crucial role. They'll be the ones crafting the overall strategy, managing the AI systems, and building relationships with key clients. The future of marketing belongs to those who can leverage the power of AI while maintaining the human touch that builds trust and closes deals. Number 6. Bank tellers, the rise of the digital vault. Remember when you actually had to go inside a bank to deposit a check or withdraw cash? Yeah, those days are fading fast. ATMs, online banking, and mobile payment apps have already revolutionized how we manage our money. And with the rise of fintech startups and blockchain technology, we're on the verge of a world where traditional bank branches become as quaint as phone booths. But this doesn't mean all banking jobs are going extinct. Instead of handling routine transactions, bank employees will need to become financial advisors, helping customers navigate complex financial products, plan for retirement, and protect themselves from fraud. The future of banking is less about counting cash and more about providing personalized financial guidance. From blog posts to product descriptions to social media updates, the internet runs on content, and increasingly that content is being generated by AI. Natural language processing has advanced to the point where AI can write basic articles, summarize reports, and even compose poetry, though whether it's good poetry is debatable. But here's the thing. While AI can handle the basics, it still lacks the creativity, nuance, and emotional depth that makes human writing truly compelling. The writers who will thrive in the age of AI are the ones who can craft stories that resonate with human emotions, explore complex themes, and push the boundaries of language. In other words, AI might be able to write a blog post, but it can't replace the human heart that beats at the core of great storytelling. Number 8, proofreaders and translators, the quest for perfect communication. In a world of instant communication, accuracy is paramount, and that's where proofreaders and translators come in, ensuring that written content is clear, concise, and culturally appropriate. But AI is rapidly catching up. Machine learning algorithms are getting scarily good at identifying grammatical errors, suggesting synonyms, and even translating languages with remarkable accuracy. But don't despair, language is about more than just rules and algorithms. It's about nuance, context, and understanding the subtle ways that words can be used to persuade, inspire, and connect. The future belongs to language professionals who can leverage AI tools to enhance their productivity while focusing on the high-level skills that machines can't replicate. Number 9, fast food order takers, the rise of the automated kitchen. Would you like fries with that? It's a phrase synonymous with fast food, but it might soon become a relic of the past. Automated kiosks, mobile ordering, and even voice assistants are changing the way we order our burgers and fries. And with advances in robotics, we're on the cusp of a world where your entire meal is prepared and assembled by machines. But this doesn't mean all fast food jobs are going away. Instead of taking orders and flipping burgers, employees will need to focus on tasks that require human interaction, like greeting customers, resolving issues, and keeping the restaurant clean and inviting. The future of fast food might be automated, but it's not impersonal. Number 10, warehouse workers, the robots are coming to stock shelves. Behind the scenes of our online shopping addiction lies a vast network of warehouses where millions of products are stored, sorted, and shipped every day. It's a physically demanding and often repetitive job, but it's one that's ripe for automation. Robots are already a common sight in warehouses, lifting heavy boxes, navigating aisles with precision, and even packing orders with surprising dexterity. But this doesn't mean all warehouse jobs are doomed. Instead of performing manual labor, human workers will be needed to oversee the robots, troubleshoot technical issues, and manage the flow of goods. The future of warehousing is about collaboration between humans and machines, each playing to their strengths. The future of work, adapt or get left behind. So there you have it, 10 jobs that AI is poised to transform by 2030. But if there's one takeaway from all of this, it's this. The robots aren't here to steal our jobs. They're here to augment our abilities and free us up to focus on what makes us uniquely human. The key to thriving in this new era is adaptability. Embrace lifelong learning, develop in-demand skills, and don't be afraid to reinvent yourself. The future belongs to those who are willing to evolve alongside technology. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the future of work? Is your job safe from AI? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the intersection of technology and our lives.